So, are you thinking about joining our summer reading programs through our exciting new platform, READsquared? Here's a little sneak peek of some of the great features you'll be able to explore on your own in your READsquared account. You can complete missions for adults, teens, and children, log your reading, even write book reviews, and then check our catalog for your favorite books. You'll be able to easily set up your children's accounts and sign up for book recommendations. The more you log, the more badges and certificates that you will earn. Be sure to check out our website, McIver's Grant publiclibrary.org, for our library's latest additions to this year's summer reading programs and more ways to enjoy your READsquared account.